Hello, happy Wednesday. So, I wanted to come on here to just kind of debrief about life, and I wanted to talk about my dermatologist appointment today. So, it was pretty fun. It was not crazy, but I have a condition called HS, and I've had it on Google. So what it is I'm gonna look up HS cystic acne. So HS is Hidradenitis Suppurativa, and it's a chronic painful skin condition often mistaken for cystic acne, causing deep recurrent boil-like lumps, blackheads, and tunnels that leak pus and blood, typically in skin-filled areas like armpits, groin, and breasts. While there's no cure, treatment focused on managing symptoms, preventing flares, and improving quality of life through lifestyle changes and medical interventions. So mine is not that bad. It's just like little tiny bumps, and they can be really painful. So she has previously injected, I think, cortisone, injection cortisone. Yes, so she injected this one that was on top of my lip. It was not on my lip. It was on top of my lip, and then after a couple of days, I got Emilia or Milium or something like that. It's kind of like a keratin-filled bump. It's like white / yellow. And so she like pricked the skin, and then she tried to like squeeze it out. She thinks that it came out, not too sure. She usually hears like a pop or something. But yeah, that's why my lip looks pretty busted right now. It's like scabbing, really bad with scabs. But that was one of the highlights of my day. But another highlight is like after work, I was just chilling, and then I fell into kind of having like a girl dinner thing. And so I kind of wanted to talk about it. So I went downstairs, I was doing laundry, and then my dad was frying vegetable lumpia, and my grandma's so funny. It's literally just like frozen vegetables in a lumpia wrapper, and it's just that. But honestly, so fire. It's like what, fried in oil in a crispy wrapper. Who wouldn't love that? And so I ate 2 of those, and then 2 days ago I ate a Little Caesars pizza, and I ate half of it, but then it's just been lingering downstairs, and my dad ate half of the last slice, and I was like, sure, let's eat half of the last slice. And then I had crazy sauce, which is like Little Caesars like marinara, but it was a little bit spicy because I originally got it with the crazy puffs. The 4 cheese crazy puffs are just so yummy, so yummy. But after that, I wanted to make mashed potatoes from scratch because I've been having potatoes downstairs, and I've been making things like corned beef with cabbage and potatoes and onions, and then what else? Potato pancake. I haven't done hash browns. I don't know if I want to do hash browns. We'll see. But yeah, while I was making the hash browns, I decided to warm up like wheat sourdough toast, and I was eating that while the potatoes were cooking. But I also wanted to eat it with jam, so when I went downstairs, I put the jam in my pocket. I usually like strawberry jam, but I'll try grape. So this is kind of like my for my girl dinner. Whole wheat sourdough. It doesn't hit the same as the one from Costco, like the San Francisco sourdough. Kind of does a job. And grape jelly. Sorry, that was so good. Okay. The reason I wanted to make mashed potatoes was because we had leftover Jollibee gravy. So random. And I wanted to eat some. Oh. Carbs. We were playing this Urban Dictionary game. Kind of like Cards Against Humanity. And there was a question that was like, what can you not live without? And the two cards that were my top two was the outfit, like hot office wear, and carbs. And I went with carbs. Damn. So what I did to make the mashed potatoes, I left my water downstairs. To make the mashed potatoes was I cut the potatoes into, I don't know what you call that. I just like sliced it. I didn't dice it. I didn't quarter it, nothing. All the same thickness. And then it was about like maybe 3 medium-sized potatoes. And then I also boiled maybe like 7 cloves of garlic. And mwah, so good. And then after I boiled all of that together, I put it into a bowl. I put maybe like 2 tablespoons of Kerrygold butter, and then a splash of lactose-free milk, and then mixed it all together, and that's what we got. I remember mashed potatoes was like one of the foods that I loved to eat when I was little. The instant one, that you can get out of like a canister, like a coffee canister. And you just add her butter to it. It's so good. Jollibee has like upped their gravy. I used to not like it as much as I do now. But there's just something about it. I also like to use the gold potatoes. Sorry, I keep like putting it down and picking it up. I might as well just finish it. But the gold potatoes at Costco. Just so easily gone. It's like the perfect amount of garlic taste. So good. Another one of my favorite meals. No, not a struggle meal, but there's these meals that just hit. Like when I was younger, I would make these like mashed potatoes. Another thing I would make was a tortilla and guacamole. And I'd make guacamole from scratch. Yum. And then I used to work at Chipotle and learn the guacamole recipe there. Yum. Another one is literally, I was about to eat it too. That was gonna be another girl dinner. Is honey bunches of oats and lactose-free milk. That was so good. Excuse me. I'll come back to the mashed potatoes. I really want to finish it. But like, I went to Mega Mart, and Mega Mart is a Korean grocery store that also has like ready-made pastries, desserts, food, skincare, alcohol, like the frozen aisles, the fresh aisles with the veggies, the fruits, and like fresh fish. I think, yeah, fresh fish. There's sushi. So good, so good. This caught my eye, and I was very, very shocked that they weren't like advertising this like crazy. Oh my gosh, it matches my nails. And so I was about to check out with my dumplings, like my gyoza, vegetable gyoza with like tofu in it. And I also got grilled mackerel. So fire. But this is the Dubai chewy cookie. I'm just wondering why it's not like focusing. It's fine. So it's a Dubai chewy cookie. And literally what is said, like, oh my gosh. So I think it's a mochi with Dubai, like it's Dubai chocolate with the pistachio cream and the katafi. I think that's what it's called. Wow. I just can't stop with the carbs. It's so hard. And there were so many. Like, I was about to check out, and there were just rows and rows and rows and rows of the Dubai chocolate. So crazy. But I think that that's going to end my girl dinner, because it's late and I should stop eating, going to the gym early in the morning. But damn, so bomb. But happy Wednesday, and the rest of the week is going to be amazing, because it has to be. But all right, good night. Bye.